Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Got the truck back up, man.
Okay.
We lost the radiator on it.
Uh-oh. That's a bad one to lose.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, all the time, man.
Oh, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Oh, this is a lowrider. So, what is your name, sir, and what's in here, man?
Ryan Nichols. I've got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s running on a Smart 8 bass. Each door's got 2 6.5s, 2 8s, 2 DS18 tweeters. Under the hood, I've got a Singer 270 and 160 amp hours of Yinglong back in the back.
Okay. Doors look really good.
Thank you.
Everything. Did you build this?
I did.
Wow. And it was built in the vehicle, it looks like.
In the vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah, only way I could get the airspace. Or,
Oh, yeah.
or get it in.
Yeah.
I mean,
What made you choose 6th order over 4th?
just wanted to do a 6th and first time trying it and gave it a shot.
Good results so far?
Yeah, I like it. Peaks at 25 and did a 56.82 on a burp, and 30-second music average was 55.7.
That's good, man. Yeah. For a 6th order, really low tuning too. And that's a 8-inch port.
8-inch port.
Yeah, 8-inch port.
Tuned it. Rear's 22, front, I think mid-40s. I'm not real sure.
It's all good. All right. Nice. Sounds like it plays pretty low then if you're able to play good long frequency in the mid-50s. Mid-50 dB range. And it's impressive to see you actually fit this kind of cone area, these 2 big 18s, in a 6th order in the hatchback, you know, instead of the 4th order.
Bottom chamber's 9.8 cubes and the tops were around 12, so about 1.2 to 1.
Okay. Wow, so you got about 25 plus cubes worked with in here. Oh man. Get all the cubes, awesome.
Some 31 to 41 first.
Okay.
I got my brother Tank in the building. Running squad, what's good? Psyph, Morrison, let's go. Catch me with my. I'm the bass boss, yeah. I'm the bass boss, yeah. I'm the bass boss, yeah. I'm the bass boss, yeah.
3121.
Say that beat, move my body like it's a snake. Drop the bass down low and make the speakers do the shake. I'm just trying to get it on.
windy, and it's only a 2-sub system.
Yeah,
So
two
yeah,
subs.
very nice. And it's impressive to see you actually fit this kind of cone area, these two big 18s, in a 6th order in the hatchback, you know, instead of the 4th order.
Bottom chamber's 9.8 cubes, and the tops were around 12, so about 1.2 to 1.
Okay. Wow, so you got about 25 plus cubes worked with in here. Oh man, get all the cubes, awesome. Thank you for the demo, man. You have a good day.
No problem. You as
Yes,
well.
sir. Thank you, Ryan.